If DaVinci Resolve is showing a GPU configuration warning, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a common issue, and it usually happens because of an unsupported GPU mode, the wrong GPU being selected, or a conflict between your integrated graphics and dedicated graphics card. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to adjust the right settings in DaVinci Resolve and get back to editing smoothly. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you are on the edit page and your clips are visible on the timeline. Starting here helps confirm that your project is open properly and that you're troubleshooting the correct Resolve workspace. Now, at the top of the screen, go to DaVinci Resolve, then click Preferences. This is where Resolve keeps the system hardware settings, including your GPU configuration. Once the Preferences window opens, look for the System tab. Inside the System section, click on Memory and GPU. This is the area that controls how DaVinci Resolve uses your graphics hardware. If your GPU settings are wrong, Resolve can show warnings, performance problems, or even fail to use the correct hardware for playback and editing. Now find the GPU processing mode option. If it's set to auto, change it to CUDA if you have an NVIDIA card, or OpenCL if that is the recommended mode for your setup. The reason we do this is because auto can sometimes pick an unsupported configuration, which is one of the main causes of this warning. Choosing the correct mode manually gives Resolve a better chance of using the right GPU settings for your system. Next, look at the GPU selection section. Here, you want to enable only your dedicated GPU. If you see both integrated graphics and a dedicated graphics card listed, turn off the integrated one and leave only the GPU you actually want Resolve to use. This is important because multiple GPU conflicts can trigger the warning and make Resolve select the wrong device for processing. Take a moment to double-check everything. GPU processing mode should not be left on auto, and GPU selection should only include the dedicated graphics card. Once you've confirmed the settings, click Save. After that, restart DaVinci Resolve so the program can reload the GPU configuration properly and apply the changes. When Resolve opens again, return to your project and check whether the warning is gone. In most cases, this simple change fixes the issue right away and improves stability as well. If you still see problems, it may mean your GPU drivers need updating, but for many users, adjusting the processing mode and selecting the correct GPU is all it takes. So to quickly recap, open Preferences, go to System, open Memory and GPU, set GPU processing mode to CUDA or OpenCL instead of auto, select only your dedicated GPU, then save and restart Resolve. That is the proper way to fix the DaVinci GPU configuration warning. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.